Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good whatever time of day it is and whatever part of the world you're at. Welcome back, and today we're going to review another quadratic question. So let's go ahead and jump in and take a look at number 4. Number 4 reads, if the area of a rectangle can be represented by the expression x squared plus 10x minus 24, which two binomials could represent the length and the width of the rectangle? Now, after reading that, and then you may need to go back and reread it again, first thing we need to focus on is the polynomial expression that they gave us and the fact that they're asking for two binomial factors that could represent the length and the width. Now, all of that verbiage is basically just telling you, hey, factor this polynomial and then look for your answers based on what you factor. So let's just go ahead and factor the polynomial, and then we should be able to arrive at our answers quickly. So number 4 is x squared plus 10x minus 24. Now, since a, the leading coefficient, is equal to 1, we can just use our a times c method to figure out the factors. Okay? So we do a times c, and we need to know what b equals. In this case, b is equal to positive 10, and a is positive 1, c is negative 24. So when we multiply those two, we get negative 24. Now, the factors of a negative product, one of the factors has to be negative, the other factor has to be positive. So, for example, if we use positive 1, then we have to say negative 24. But then the next time it has to be negative 1 and positive 24. So I'm going to continue listing out these factors. Each time I'm going to make a different factor negative and keep the other one positive. All right, let's see. And then positive 4 and negative 6, and last negative 4 and positive 6. So we've written out all of the factors of negative 24. Now we just need to add them up to see which one is going to give us positive 10. Okay? So we add up all these factor pairs, find the sum, and we need to fit. And the one we'll choose is the one that equals positive 10. So that's going to give us negative 23, positive 23, negative 10, positive 10, negative 5, positive 5, negative 2, positive 2. Now, once again, remember we're looking for which factor pair, the sum that equals positive 10. Well, in this case, it's going to be negative 2 and positive 12. So when we write our factors, we should have n minus 2 times n plus 12. And we're done. We factored this polynomial, this quadratic. Now, let's take a look at the answer choices that we have. We should check off a n minus 2, or x minus 2, excuse me. It should be x. Let me change those to x's. I don't want anybody to get confused. X minus 2, x plus 12. So an x minus 2 and an x plus 12. So those would be the two answer choices that you should check off for number 4. And that will conclude this video. See you all later.